Hey there, it's Jake from Geo Targetly, and in this super short tutorial I will be showing you how to implement Geo Targetly into your WIX website in less than 3 minutes. So let's get into it. Step 1, you need a Geo Targetly account. If you have one, go ahead and log in. If you do not have one, as you can see, we offer a 14-day free trial, no limitations, access to all features, no credit card information needed. Once you do have a account, there's step 2, and that is creating a configuration of Geo Targetly. So within Geo Targetly, you can configure any of these products or any of these features. For the purposes of this tutorial, I will just show you how to implement geolocation, but it's pretty much the same across all of the products, and we do offer tutorials for all of these products. So navigate to your setup, either create one from scratch, or if you already have one, just click on Get Code. Once you are at this page, you will see that there is a JavaScript code created, and you need to get this code. So either click on Copy to Clipboard or just select it and copy it as I did. And that's step 2 done. Before we move on to step 3 though, I want to say that the implementation of code is one time. You only need to paste it into your site one time, and from that point onward, any changes that you do inside the application are automatically propagated into your site. As simple as that. Step 3, implementing it into your site. Go into your WIX dashboard, and on the dashboard, go into Settings, and in the settings, scroll all the way down and find Custom Code. In the custom code, click on Add Custom Code, and first up, you need to paste the code that you copied a second ago. Give it a descriptive name, such as, I don't know, Geolocation, and then you need to select two things. First up, whether it should load on all pages or just a specific page. The difference in between the two are, if you implement Geo Targetly across all of your sites, it will trigger on every page, and therefore this is great for example, if you're redirecting your visitors and you want to redirect visitors from site A to site B, no matter what first page they land on. Alternatively, if you do choose specific pages, you can select what pages it should be triggered on, and this is good for example, use cases where you have some content that is geographically restricted, but you only want to restrict those pages. But for the purposes of this demonstration, let's just go with all pages, and you need to select low code on each new page, because for every subsequent page you want to determine what the location of the user is. Then you need to select where the code should be placed, and it's either head, body start, or body end. For this, refer to your setup. For geolocation, it's before the closing body tag, so body end. But for example, for our geo redirect feature, you would put it into the header. So we would choose body end, and with that, we would just click apply. And that will create the setup for us. I already added one because it takes a second to propagate. And that's Geo Targetly implemented in 3 minutes and 3 seconds. Before I sign off though, I have a bonus tip for you, which is validating whether the code was properly implemented and whether it's properly tracking on your site. So you would navigate to the page that you implemented it for, and then what you will do is you would use the second mouse button, click inspect or get into developer tools, and then go into network, and you would type into the search bar GL question mark. GL because geolocation. For other features, it is GR for geo redirect, and so on and so forth. And you can always refer to what you should type in here by checking the tracking code. After you type it in, you will just hit refresh, and what you want to see here is a tracking code being fired on that page, and you know that it's fired because it's displayed over here, and the status code should be 200. If for some reason the code is firing on your site, but you're still not convinced that it's doing what it should do, there are other ways to test. For example, you can go back into Geo Targetly and click on test mode. In test mode, what we allow you to do is, for a specific configuration, simulate traffic from a certain destination for your IP address. So you would determine your IP address by clicking here, paste it here, and then type the destination that you want to simulate, turn it on, and save the setup. And after that, once you enter your page, you should be seeing what the visitors from that country should be seeing. Alternatively, Alternatively, you can also use a VPN such as NordVPN or ExpressVPN if that's the easiest route for you. If even after all of this testing you're still facing issues, do not hesitate to get in contact with us. You can either write us an email at support@geotargetly.com or just click on this button over here and you can get in touch with us via on-site chat support. We also offer a fair bit of documentation which you can find on our page under resources and docs, including quick start guides in both slideshow and video version. That's all that I have prepared, so the only thing that remains for me to say is thank you so much for watching, and I hope you'll have a great day.